How do you pronounce this? Did you say etc.? Uh-oh, it should be etc. Okay, etc. or you may say etc. How about this one? Did you say chocolate or chocolate? It should be chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, so you heard it right. Chocolate. Aside from those two words, etc. and chocolate, meron pa akong 10 salita na gustong ibahagi sa inyo. These words are commonly mispronounced by Filipinos. Hey there, soulmate! Welcome back to our soul channel. This is Joel P, Teacher J at your service. So in this vlog, we are going to have a pronunciation drill. Are you ready? How do you pronounce that word? Ours? It should not be. It should be ours. Yes. Kasi yung ours na word in English term, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay as. Okay? We. Okay? So that is pronounced as ours. Again, ours. Next one. Did you say margarine? It should be pronounced as margarine. Okay? Margarine. Yes, kailangan hindi siya ga. Okay, it's j. Margarine. Next. Oh, did you say indirect? It should be indirect. Okay, indirect. Yeah, the indirect. Ayan, so paano mo bangkitin yan? Kapag bumili ka sa store or sa tindahan, what would you say? Owns? Pabili ko ng 8 ounce or 12 ounce, 16 ounce. Okay, that is not pronounced as ounce, okay? That is pronounced as ounce, okay? Again, that is ounce. How about this one? Sinabi mo ba lettuce or lettuce? That's wrong, okay? It is pronounced as lettuce, okay? Lettuce. Lettuce, not lattice. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag sa English na schwa sound, okay? That is the inverted E, which is pronounced as okay? So that is lettuce. Next. How about that word? Is it comfortable? Did you say comfortable? It should be comfortable, okay? Comfortable, not even table, okay? Comfortable, not comfortable. It's comfortable. Based on the updated Merriam-Webster's dictionary, comfortable can already be pronounced as comfortable. Okay, so next one. Marami atang ganito ngayon, okay? Did you say tarpaulin? Or tarpaulin? It should be tarpaulin, okay? Tarpaulin. Yeah, that is pronounced as tarpaulin. Ay, so yung two words na yan, hindi sila magkasing, hindi sila magkasing kahulugan, but in a way, magkatulog sila. Okay? Like the first one, that is pronounced as, hindi siya salmon, okay, or salmon. It's salmon. And the other one, that is almond. Okay? Salmon and almond. Okay, so it's a silent L. Salmon and almond. How about this one? Okay, did you say flammable or flammable? It should not be. It should be flammable. Okay? Flammable. Hindi siya flammable. It's flammable. Okay? The last one. Kaya sa school, diba? Tatawagin ka ng classmate mo, oy! Flag ceremony na! Lumabas na kami lahat. Okay, so, did you pronounce that as ceremony? Okay? It should be ceremony. Ceremony. Okay? So, na-pronounce mo ba lahat, soulmate, ang 10 mga salita na yun? And actually, pronunciation is the heart and soul of language. Dapat at least alam natin ang proper pronunciation ng mga English words para hindi tayo misinterpret. Meron kasing words in English na kapag sinabi mo tapos iba yung pronunciation mo, so iba ang magiging interpretation niya. Lalo na kung ang kausap mo ay Native American. Because here in the Philippines, we are following the pronunciation of Native Americans, okay, the general American language. That's why I use the American pronunciation as a tool for saying those terms today. I hope you enjoyed our pronunciation video today. More of this pronunciation in our next vlog. Kung meron kayong gustong i-include sa ating pronunciation reel, just leave your comment below para maisama natin. This is Joel P saying a consistent practice makes everything almost perfect. Teacher J at your service. Bye-bye! Please don't forget to subscribe. Click mo na rin ang notification bell para sa video ay updated ka sa ating mga bagong videos. Salamat!